at it again. I think I'm starting to develop a habit of doing just night calls. I got a call from a customer. He's stuck at the Wawa in downtown. He said his Ford Taurus is not starting. He's got power at the dash, but nothing happened. So I'm hoping he's just got a bad starter, something I can just tap and get him going on the road, take it home, and then we'll take care of it at a different time. So I'll just I'll record that and see how it goes. I did get here and I got started right away. This is one of those keep your head in the swivel kind of places. So just trying to be effective here, and I just trying to be fast in a way. So here's the concern. We have a vehicle that was fine. Customer came to the Wawa, and then the vehicle wouldn't start after that. So we turned the key on, all the lights come on the dash, but when you go to crank it, everything dims down, nothing happens. On these Ford Tauruses, the earlier models, the starter is right there, and I don't know if you can see, probably not, it's a little too far down. Anyway, take my word for it, there is some corrosion in there on the wires. The battery's good, we got 12 volts at the battery. I'm just not sure that we're getting all that power into those wires, just because the rust, and I think they're just too brittle. So I took the battery out. The battery is out. I'm trying to access the starter wires, see if I can jump it in any way to just engage it. Just trying to tap it. It's this right here. If you see my finger, where's my finger? Jesus. Oh, there you go. There's my finger. So that's where the starter is. The goal here is just to get the car out of here into the customer's residence, so that we can then schedule a service. Because like I said, the car's been here for 3 days. Not the greatest neighborhood, and at some point Wawa is just gonna get it towed. So I'll give you guys an update, and we'll see how it goes. With my phones, because I can zoom in and get in here a little better. I think I found my culprit. I did suspect a starter from the get-go, but so that's the corrosion that I was talking about, and you guys see that black portion that appears to be burnt. So what I'll do here is pull this starter out, because this car doesn't start. Test it outside. This thing put up a fight, guys. It was horrible. But here's what I was talking about. Corrosion here. And yes, sir. Yeah. No, you're good. Showing how bad it is. Yeah, man. That's here forever. All right, guys. So that's it for this repair. Not truly repair, more like a diagnostic and part removal. Remove the starter. I'll show you guys how bad and what condition it was, and why I believe it was bad. I just want to highlight 2 mistakes that I made. So one of those, sorry, I'm putting this away. All right, so one of those mistakes that I believe I made are there's a $50 call-out fee, and that includes just diagnosing the vehicle, taking a look, coming out here. But because of the situation where the car is, the sense of urgentness to get it out of here so customer doesn't get it towed, I went ahead and diagnosed it, triple checked it, showed him pictures, talk him through it, see why I believe he has a bad starter, and I began removing it. And I removed it so that we like doing half the repair, and that's without quoting him time or parts. But again, it's one of those things of just feel, you know, customers just made me feel comfortable. He feels like a decent person, and if he decides to do it himself or call somebody else and get it done, good for him. I messed up, I own that, but I believe he'll call me and he'll be a repeat customer. But anyway, thank you guys for following me and watching. I appreciate you guys, and I'll be posting more content.